The demand for non-toxic cookware has surged as health-conscious households move away from traditional PTFE-based coatings. This shift is particularly appealing to busy home cooks and enthusiasts who value safety as much as performance. Our guide evaluates the market's top contenders, focusing on non-stick efficiency, material safety (PFAS/PFOA free), heat distribution. Product number 1. Sensart 14-piece ceramic non-stick induction cookware set. The Sensart 14-piece set is a masterclass in combining modern aesthetics with professional-grade safety. Crafted with a natural ceramic coating, this set is strictly free of PFOA, PFAS, lead, and cadmium. What sets the Pro Series apart is its enhanced induction base, which features a specially engineered surface to maximize contact with induction hobs, ensuring rapid and remarkably even heat distribution. The build quality is substantial. The heavy-duty cast aluminum body feels premium without being overly heavy, preventing the warping often seen in cheaper sets. A standout design feature is the innovative lid knob, which doubles as a built-in spoon rest, a small but brilliant touch for keeping countertops clean. The set includes a versatile range, a 12-inch frying pan, a 5.6 QT casserole, and a 2.1 QT saucepan, along with silicone utensils and pot protectors to preserve the finish.
Product number 2. Carrot 17-piece ceramic cookware sets. For those navigating the challenges of a compact kitchen or an RV, the Carrot 17-piece set with detachable handles is a revolutionary solution. By removing the handles, these pots and pans stack neatly, saving up to 70% more cabinet space compared to traditional sets. This design doesn't just save space, it transforms your cookware into oven-safe dishes and fridge-ready storage containers with the included airtight lids. The granite-derived ceramic coating provides an ultra non-stick experience, allowing for oil-free cooking but lives up to the hype. In performance tests, even delicate foods like eggs slide off effortlessly. The set is oven-safe up to 536 degrees Fahrenheit once the handle is removed, offering versatility that fixed handle sets simply cannot match. It's a comprehensive kit that includes frying pans, saucepans, and even silicone-rimmed gloss lids. Number 3. Useluck 21-piece ceramic pots. The Useluck 21-piece set is the ultimate kitchen in a box for new homeowners or those looking for a complete refresh. This set stands out for its heavy-gauge aluminum core, which provides the thermal mass needed for consistent browning and searing, a feat often difficult for lightweight ceramic pans. Despite the robust core, the pans remain easy to maneuver, making them accessible for all users. Safety is the cornerstone here, with a mineral-based coating that is 100% free of Teflon and harmful fumes. The set is impressively extensive, featuring 3 frying pans, including an 11-inch version, a dedicated 10-inch crepe pan, and 2 large casseroles. The visual appeal is also a major selling point. The cream-colored interior paired with vibrant exteriors makes these pans stove-to-table ready. Product number 4. Carrot 26-piece pots. If you believe more is better, the Carrot 26-piece set is the heavyweight champion of variety. This collection is designed for the high-volume home cook who needs specific sizes for everything from a quick sauce to a large family stew. It includes 5 different lids and 7 pan protectors, ensuring that the 10X Ultra Non-Stick granite material stays pristine during storage. The performance is driven by a reinforced die-cast aluminum construction. Unlike stamped pans, die-cast aluminum offers superior durability and prevents hot spots that lead to burnt food. While this set features fixed handles, unlike the 17-piece version, the handles are made of stay-cool Bakelite with a comfortable wood grain texture. It's a beautiful, comprehensive set that makes a statement on any stovetop. Product number 5. Carrot Non-Stick Pots Essential Series.
The Carrot Essential Nonstick Pots are the go-to choice for those who want high-quality, non-toxic performance without the fluff of a massive set. These pieces focus on the fundamentals: a healthy granite-derived coating and a lightweight but sturdy build. This series is often praised by users for its instant clean properties. Most messes can be wiped away with a single paper towel. These pots feature a thickened induction-compatible base that works efficiently on gas, electric, and ceramic glass tops. The vented glass lids are a highlight, designed with a silicone rim that seals in moisture while preventing boilovers via precision steam vents. For the minimalist cook who prioritizes easy cleanup and chemical-free materials, this series offers the best performance per dollar ratio.